We're a country that lives with a lot of natural process, so volcanic field, climate events, flooding, we're used to those things. Earthquakes are very sudden, very dramatic. The earthquake in Christchurch in 2011 was just shocking for the whole country. Seeing part of your backyard being so devastated in such a scale of change and loss.
The Christchurch earthquake really exposed to New Zealand as a whole our dependence on timely access to all this geotechnical information that was really essential when designing buildings.
We were struggling because the data wasn't collated in any way.
As a result, the New Zealand government set up the New Zealand Geotechnical Database to make it easier to access this information. As it grew, it became much more difficult to scale and make available in a standardised way.
Here at Beca, we saw an opportunity for us to build something that was going to support the community and infrastructure development in New Zealand in the long term.
Beyond is a digital twin and is effectively the management layer that allows engineers to manage, access, query and download data out of NZGD. Within Beyond, we've configured an AI using Microsoft Foundry, which allows the engineers to use agentic AI to then interface with Beyond, query the underlying database, and get much easier access to the underlying data. By our measurements, the introduction of the AI has meant that it now takes about 40% less time to access data.
Because the AI streamlines all of the soil and rock logging records that are really intense. I don't have to look through hundreds and hundreds of data points that are not what I need to be looking at the time. I'd be lost without it. I don't want to know a world without it. We can now build better because we have learned from the past and we've got so many more resources to draw from.